Hi everyone, I won a giveaway back in February and stuff happened. She finally was able to send it. It arrived and so I wanted to open it up. I won this from Shauna on TikTok and I will leave her page down below so you guys can check her out. So let's open it up. I just wanted to say she packed it up so nicely, so let me get everything out. So she added this little card, but since I was opening the box upside down, I almost missed the card. I love when people send little cards. It makes it that much more special. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so sweet. She didn't have to add that. That is so nice. Thank you. So the first little item is this really cute little keychain. Oh, some of the stuff she put in there. Little flower, that's cute. This little keychain is so cute. So this bag is so pretty. I love the pink. So let's open it up. So here's everything she included. A lot of the stuff I've never tried before. I love the little DIY bracelet. And the socks are so adorable. The lip tint I'm excited about. I've never tried one of those before. The hand sanitizer smells so good. Thank you so much. And for the extra goodies, you didn't have to. And go check out her page. I'll leave it down below. Thank you so much.